In today's video, I'll show you how to find your ConvertKit Form ID quickly and easily. Whether you are embedding a form on your website or connecting it with another tool, knowing your form ID is essential for smooth integrations. Let's get started. First, open your web browser, Chrome, Safari, or whichever you prefer, and head over to convertkit.com. Log in using your account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can register right on the home page. Once you're logged in, look at the top menu or sidebar and click Grow. Then select Landing Pages and Forms. This is where all of your forms and landing pages are listed. Now choose the form you want the ID for. When the form editor opens, pay attention to the URL in your browser's address bar. You'll notice a part of the link that says something like https://app.convertkit.com/form/1233/edit. Here's the key. The number right after forms / in this case 123,456 is your form ID, and that's it. You've successfully found your ConvertKit Form ID. Keep this number handy as it's often required for embedding forms, setting up automations, or integrating ConvertKit with other platforms. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments below. I'll be happy to help.